my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today is the day I told you I would announce the winner of my giveaway. My 6,000 plus, actually I think it's 6,052 now. My 6,052 subscribers giveaway. So I hope you all had a nice Father's Day yesterday. We did. It was family here, and we just had a nice light lunch, and I didn't have a lot of work to do, and we all had a good time. So I hope wherever you were, you did too. Now, as far as the giveaway goes, it was for subscribers of mine. So if you haven't already subscribed, go down below and hit the red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all, and you'll be a subscriber and you'll be eligible for the next giveaway. But anyway, what you had to do was you had to, if you wanted to partake in the giveaway, you had to name your favorite flower. And I went through the list, and let me just tell you what a few of them were. We had, I think, 3 people that said lilacs were their favorite flower. And I guess if you count me, it was 4, because I absolutely love the scent of lilacs. We used to have a huge lilac bush in the side of our house. And every year I put a big bouquet here on the island. Well, it kind of got unruly and we cut it down, and now we haven't had any lilacs in 2 years. Hopefully it'll come back. The only bad thing is the blooming season is so short. But anyway, 3 of you agreed with me that you liked lilacs. Now, there was 2 that said they liked hydrangeas. There was roses on there. Someone said they loved simple white roses. They said they liked red roses. And somebody said their favorite was a yellow rose. And I have to say, yellow roses might come second on my list. And there's a reason for that. When my husband and I got married, I had a big bouquet of white flowers. And right in the center, we had a yellow rose. And my husband wore a yellow rosebud in his lapel. And it had some special meaning to us. That's why we did it. So we both like yellow roses. Let me see. Somebody said they love peach-colored roses, and peach is one of my favorite colors. So I like that one. Dahlias, somebody saying. I think there was 2 people that said they loved sunflowers, and somebody said impatiens and orchids and Gerber or daisies, and someone said they love iris. Oh, and pansies. I love to plant pansies outside. Someone said they liked the plain and simple pansies. And my friend Barb from Take Control Beauty, she said her favorite is geraniums. And I said to her once before, we put geraniums in pots outside and we hang them, but for me, they're not my favorite. I think they smell awful. You know how you're supposed to snip off the flowers when they start to die? If I don't have garden gloves on and I do it with my hand, I can't stand that smell. But anyway, there was somebody that named a flower, and they said, I think they have it around their pool, and it's called a flower within a flower. And I never heard of it. It's called, I'm going to probably crucify this, curcuma, C-U-R-C-U-M-A. I don't know. Maybe if I saw it, I would know, but I'm not familiar with the name of it. I don't know. I think somebody said they like peonies, all different kinds of flowers, but not everybody wanted to partake in the giveaway. So I had to narrow it down, and those that mentioned a flower they love, we put in. So, enough talking. Dun, 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 dun. Who won the Baking Divas giveaway? Well, I'll put it up on the screen. The person was D. Berg. B-U-R-G-G. D. Berg. And her favorite flower was the peony. So, congratulations. What you need to do is you have 5 days. You have till midnight Friday, today is Monday, to email me. My email is down below in the description box of all my videos. Just email me and tell me that you won the giveaway, and give me the name and the address you want your giveaway sent to. And you also need to let me know whether you want an Amazon gift card or the Visa gift card. And I'll get it out to you as soon as I can. So I want to thank everybody that joined in and took part in my giveaway and congratulated me for all my new subscribers and my old subscribers and all my subscribers. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. I enjoy what I'm doing, and like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below. It's a baking channel, but I throw in there little bits of this and that just to keep it interesting. In fact, I just did a video on my oldest grandson's high school graduation. It was the first grandson to graduate. So I went all out with that, and I had a lot of fun doing the video. It was kind of bittersweet. I can't believe he's going to be going off to college in the middle of August, but it's not too far away from us, so we'll get to go see him and watch him play soccer once in a while. So once again, thank you all. Congratulations to the winner, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Toodles!